As the launch is coming closer, some more info has been leaked for S24 Ultra, which include cameras, price, and One UI 6.1 AI features. So let's start with cameras. Samsung is expected to maintain a 4-camera setup on its flagship smartphone, the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The primary ultra-wide and first telephoto cameras will remain unchanged from its predecessor. There will be upgrades to the long-range telephoto camera. Recent leaks suggest that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will enhance capabilities while recording 8K videos. According to tipster Alon Equator, the phone will incorporate a 200-megapixel camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 10-megapixel telephoto camera, and an improved 50-megapixel telephoto camera. This upgrade allows for recording 8K videos with up to 5x zoom by leveraging resolution and larger pixels in the telephoto lens for better light gathering. The current Galaxy S23 Ultra offers 8K video recording at 30 FPS, relies on digital zoom when zooming in. During this mode, in contrast, the S24 Ultra introduces a 5x optical zoom lens for reach while capturing high-quality footage in 8K resolution. Additionally, reports suggest that portrait mode with a 5x zoom feature will be available on the Galaxy S24 Ultra alongside stabilization capabilities for both daylight and low-light conditions. According to reports, the AI object-aware engine of the device functions with both rear-facing cameras. It is expected to provide portrait effects and various entertaining imaging capabilities. On the other side, it is said that the S24 Ultra will include a 12-megapixel selfie camera to the one found in the Galaxy S23 series. According to Amit Quater, Samsung has joined forces with Meta to enhance the quality of images and videos shared on Facebook and Instagram. This partnership allows users to post HDR images and videos on Meta's social media apps, enhancing the appeal of capturing moments within these platforms. The previous report stated that the Galaxy S24 will have a convenient lock screen shortcut for posting images on Instagram and Snapchat. Interestingly, it appears that only the Ultra will have a set of cameras among the lineup. Sources suggest that both the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus will share same camera specifications. This decision seems to be influenced by sales of the Plus version, leading the camera module supplier to consider both models as one phone. Another most exciting of all is One UI 6.1, which is going to part this flagship device. And with the help of Qualcomm 8 Gen 3, it makes the S24 series an iPhone because One UI 6.1 is coming with some massive changes. And we have first set of screenshots coming in courtesy to Bennett. So first off, just like the Pixel 8 Pro, Samsung will be making use of generative AI for creating unique wallpapers so that you guys can design your own wallpapers. Second change is animated lock screen, so with the One UI 6.1 users will get an option to add weather effect on the lock screen like moving clouds, sun, or even rain effect, which is something mind-blowing. Some add changes coming in gallery where users will get an option to fill in the background. Something similar to generate fill of Adobe Photoshop. In the screenshot, you can see it says realign photos beyond border. You can even replace the object, making their size big or small, or place them top left and right, and there's much more thanks to generative AI. Then there's the summary maker for notes, which is a nice addition. It is going to convert long paragraph into points. The most exciting change in One UI 6.1 is live translation during call. That's something incredible, like you guys can hear in your language no matter what language the speaker is using, and the caller can hear in his or her language no matter what language you are replying. So yes, guys, again, lots of AI features coming in with the One UI 6.1, and I think some of these features will make their way to older Galaxy devices as well. Next, as per a report by Korean publication Hankyeon, the Galaxy S24 series will have the same price as the Galaxy S23 range. This essentially means the upcoming Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra will have a starting price tag of $799, $999, and $1,199, respectively, in the US. The anticipated launch of the Galaxy S24 series is expected to confirm these reported camera change, along with rumored updates like incorporating a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip and introducing a sleek design for the Ultra model. The release date is currently slated for January 2024. So what are your thoughts on these camera enhancements for Samsung's S24 range? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for future updates. I'll be looking forward to seeing you all in the next video.